Hi everyone and welcome back to Login Science. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload photos or pictures on Google Drive. So let's get into the video. First, all you have to do is open your Drive. Here you'll be landing on your home page. Now in order to upload photos, all you have to do is click on the plus icon. Here you'll get to see the option of upload. You need to click on it. Now if you want to upload photos from a gallery, you have to click on three horizontal line on top left corner. Then you need to click on gallery. Now you need to select any photo that you want to upload it into your Drive. Well, I'm gonna choose this picture to upload it into my Drive. Once you select the picture, you need to click on done. Now your photo is being uploaded to your Drive. You need to wait for a while. Well, your photo has been uploaded successfully. So let's check this out. Here you can see that your photo has been uploaded here. Well, with this process you can easily upload any photos that you want to upload it into the Drive. So this is it, and I hope this video was informative for you. Thank you for watching it till the end. Have a great day.